That's real hair.
That's probably been around that too. Somebody cut that mess.
All right, this is hair.
This is hair.
What about hair?
Let me tell you what.
A
It might wear
ponytail.
good on some people, but it
And a
don't wear good on me.
No. You look like
No.
ain't so and so from the. Oh my
How about this? How about this? Woo, I got long hair.
Oh, you gonna party down?
Yeah.
You
might want it,
But
but
I critters living in it.
All right, y'all leaving me out. You tell me.
Ree was modeling the hair that was in the box.
We're trying to get Kelly on the machine and she won't do it.
I won't do it.
You can just imagine sex on that thing under the two of you.
I don't know if I don't know how possible that would be, but
How thin you are.
no, I think it's possible. Not probable, but possible.
Wouldn't have nothing to do with size. This is my beating heart.
I would definitely have to put the chain in the lockup for that one.